the air quality index. So start.
Good evening, everyone. Today our GD topic is AIQ in India. So as we know, in India, AIQ is so poor. Even some major cities in India like Delhi are backward from Lahore, Pakistan. Lahore, Pakistan is still on 43 around. And no, sorry, my mistake. Uh, Lahore lies on 12, around 12th place on list, and Delhi is on third. Uh, so let's start our GD for
So first,
solutions.
my friend, I want to correct if you want to solve
It's
the
not EQI, it's
AI, AQI, air quality stands for air quality index. It measures the pollution present in the air by measuring the particles, different kinds of particles which comes under pollutant in the present in the air. So as we know, the recent data says top 100 cities of top most polluted cities of if we talk about top most 100 most polluted city, 93 of them were of India, starting from Delhi to going to tier three cities also. So if we see our history in year 2012 to 16, China's cities like Beijing or Shanghai were also going through this setback. The AQI index was up to 200. So China took some important measures in order to prevent their cities and reduce the AQI. So I think those measures can be taken by India to reduce the AQI. And one of the measure of that taken by the China is that heavy industries like metal industry and coal industry which produce electricity, they shifted those industry to out of the main cities. So that helped them to reduce the water pollutant water air pollution from heavy industry. So this measure should be taken by in India as well. And the second point, in India, we take this problem just as a season. We are not focusing on a long term plan. In China, take this problem as a war. They started making 5 years plan for especially for air pollutions. We need to understand that India is not a proactive country; it's a reactive. So it's only react when the issue cause or just slow down in the condition. So one of the most important measure China took was to use already said that to reduce industrial pollution, shifting heavy industry out of the main. Second
I
was
want to add some points. I think, as my opinion, India is even not India only. Overall, world is very back or very poor if we talk about the air pollution. So even if we talk about the solutions. So I think we all individuals are for that. If we take steps for doing correct it, so we can do it. Means it depend on not only for government only. It's our all individuals duty to rectify these errors.
So according to me, air quality index will do with air pollution, and air pollution caused through petrol vehicle, which we used in nowadays. We use too much cars for going market. So if we sequel for this, use public vehicle, which cause air pollution low. So
I want to add some points.
yeah.
I think if we talk about the solutions of that air pollution, so the back few days, this concept is taken by government that even number vehicles are taking into the considerations. If we talk about only the who have number of even number, yes, exactly. So this type of situations we arise for rectify this.
and the
type of
second measure which is taken by especially China, because China also have gone through the same problem like 10 to 20, 15 years ago. They are also when they are going like when they are developing country, so they also faced air pollution. And the second measure I already one mentioned about heavy industry. The second point is changing public transport completely to electrifications. They literally more than 80,000 buses in public transportation they converted to
electric vehicles, and the same problem the same thing we can apply in our metropolitan cities. And I think this is the one of the major point of air pollution in right now in India.
Adding to your point, many of us have talked about the air pollution and why it causes, but the main cause is between the situation of Delhi, Faridabad, and the localities of outskirts of Delhi NCR
Yes.
is because of the Aravallis and Himalayas. So the cold air from the Himalayas coming towards Delhi, and it forms the downward kind of situation, and going towards the Aravalli also, it forms a U-shaped total barrier in there, so which causes air pollution more in winter. And talking about the what steps we want to conclude for to uh, make air pollution less. So first of all, plantation more trees. Second one is the reactors that we have to put in chimneys to uh,
reduce
exactly.
and one of the
We have to apply filters in especially in industries, and we have to make the rules and regulation especially for air to so that industry should follow those rules and regulation and apply protection measures, so that the second point you said that the geographical reason, we can't change geographical reason, we can't plant more trees now because this is a long term. But for now, at the moment, for example, in government policies, they are focusing on controlling 10 the size of pollutant is 10 instead of focusing on 2.5 which is the major cause of air
and
pollution.
one of the important which contribute to Indian pollution is we have not talked about is the Farali wastage of farming. When they being burned from Amritsar, Punjab or Haryana, its fogs directly come to Delhi NCR, which also cause pollution.
If we are talking about the husk that farmers burn, it's a seasonal time. They don't burn it along all the year. They burn it only twice or
Yes,
thrice.
that's why I said it's the contribution to air pollution.
Talking more about solution part, so I think government is not taking step because as we know that what is the opinion or statement of Rekha Gupta, a CM of Delhi, we know, and in one podcast or in one interview she stated that AQI is not a particle, it's a temperature.
Yes.
So the awareness among government and
Policy
the
makers.
taking policies among them, so they are not taking responsibility. Again, adding the point that they are also contributing. They put it so many air purifiers which captures micro particles around 100 meter. But what about 100 meter? In Delhi, they have put it or installed around 3 to 4 air purifier. But the diameter or range of Delhi is so far. We know. So what about that four purifiers can do? And that only Delhi reason. So I think the awareness and the kind of steps that government should to take, it's more required.
If we are talking
at
about
this
the
time.
environment-
NCR, because Delhi NCR's area is more than 6,500 square kilometer area. So these four, even hundreds of purifier cannot,
Exactly.
reduce the air quality index. We need more, important and more productive measures. First, if you have heard about bamboo trees are grow fast. They took very less time to grow, and they can absorb pollution up to 75%. So we can the way China has implemented bamboo trees in their homes, cities, even on the street. So it's a very useful way for India to keep us. And the second, government intent. I have so far I have not seen government any intent to reduce the air quality index, because if we will apply the measures, even if the government is not accountable, it will not run in the long term.
Adding to last point, the first and foremost step should be taken by government is to acknowledge the problem.
Instead of
As,
talking
as
about
my friend mentioned that one of our MPs also doesn't know the difference between temperature and AQI.
Exactly.
So from there we can know that the government is not acknowledging their mistakes. even before
Why
solving the
instead
problem,
of
we have to acknowledge. Acknowledgement is, I think, say 50% solution of the problem.
instead
If
of
we
talking about Vande Bharat in the
can't
parliament.
focus on problems itself.
yes, first we should
And,
acknowledge,
the
and then we
second,
should.
second most
Yes.
important problem is the construction, is the infrastructure. Because while doing construction, we cut a lot of trees, and I think construction is the second most important thing that causes air pollution much more.
And according to my opinion, to reduce pollution, government should also take actions regarding how much vehicle is burning and polluting so many carbon monoxides and reducing. So I think for that, government should take action. Like there are so many policies regarding like in 10 years you need to remove or you need to again audit your vehicles, but they need to reduce the time duration. They need to put like some 5 years or 6 years so that their all engines can work properly.
Adding to your point, government has already many policies, as you
Okay.
said, but they are not applying. People are not following. Even the ministries are not following, because government has made the policy that the diesel vehicle older than 10 years old cannot be run in Delhi, and the
Exactly.
petrol vehicle older than 12 years old cannot be run in Delhi. But
Then
still,
According
yes.
to me, government was strict in their rule. Yeah? People have,
government is independent, like freely. They are not.
yeah, government
Sitting in the
make
parliament
rule
and saying
they
something and
free.
looking at it on the ground knowledge is, because every time you are sitting here and talking about something is highly different than sitting on the road. If you see, there are n number of problems which are different that are shown into parliament. Likewise, lately Rajiv Chadda has took out the point about 10 minutes delivery. He didn't talk about that they are n number of people are running their home on particularly relying completely on this deliveries.
It's a subjective matter.
Yes,
And
exactly.
we need a separate home ministry, especially to tackle this
There
problem. And we don't have. I mean,
Our
there are heavy
environmental
industries
minister
separate.
has
Our
not-
MSP
not
and
had-
air pollution.
So many people mentioned that we have government have mentioned strict rules and regulations, but someone mentioned that individuals we have it's our responsibility to take initiatives. So I think yes, it's individual responsibility also to take initiative for stop this type of damages which cause air pollution. So
So many things came up, but I think one thing that all of you have forgotten is that all of you were, revolving around Delhi. I clearly said it is for the majority of the cities. Himalayan,
Southern
Aravali,
India.
Himalayan Aravali. So it was very particular to Delhi. Okay, it has to be, Patna's AQI was also 400, above 400 last week. It, yeah, and it should not be above 100. Okay, so nobody brought those examples, and then nobody talked about the vision that now every growing city will become Delhi. You understand? Delhi already we have lost. Okay, and we need to take very strict measures. So of course, I really like the point both of you have read about the Beijing model, and then China's ambassador has commented, has tweeted about it, that Beijing
Will help.
AQI and Delhi AQI, and suggesting the Beijing model. So both of you have spoke about Beijing model, but you have to understand one thing.
Sir, the advantage with China is it's not a democratic country.
I was coming to that point. Okay. One thing which is different between India and China is that we are a democratic country and they are a communist country. So communist country, they don't have a fear of losing the government. Okay. So they can do anything by strict action. Okay. But here the government has to win election. So shifting industries and then banning many things, right, will not be that easy. There are unions, there are so many things, right? Government tried to app a launch, कौन सी थी वो, संचार साथी. It could not fly because of opposition, right? And then government was trying to pool the land, for CS the Mahakumbh that is going to happen in Ujjain. Okay, so they wanted to pool the land so that they can do more development, for that. Again, it's a democratic country, so they're backed up. They cannot do it now because they faced a lot of opposition on that. So as a democratic country, things are difficult. But again, if you don't do it, it will become you know more dangerous, and then it would not be possible for you to live there. Many people in Delhi are already planning to leave Delhi, and one of them uh, is one of my manager with whom I worked in TCS. So he has actually shifted to Dehradun from Delhi because he was getting lungs infection. Okay, so in longer term this will be a problem. Okay, but I have not seen irony. The irony is that I have not seen any politicians or the member of parliament or MLA coming up and taking this topic. Right? It is all coming from the common people.
They normalize it to many extent. Like they local level पे normalize करना is not a good thing.
Absolutely. So not sure again, but this is something very very concerning. So good you brought that Beijing model. I was looking for it because it has a lot of facts, right? Uh, so I will give you now one-on-one feedback. Okay. Uh, Starting with your what's your name? Missing your name. Amanat. Amanat, you started but you were breaking. So when you start, you should be a confident speaker, then only initiate. Unless and until you are not confident about speaking fluently, don't start. You were starting and you were fumbling. So that was not a good impression. Okay. So take care of that. Later on, you were not fumbling much, but initially you were fumbling. Okay. That should be avoided. Fumble नहीं करना है. Okay. Atul, not much participation, बहुत कम participate किया. And you explained something very different. हिमालय और अरावली के बीच में टकरा के
एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि
अरे तो हिमालय को सरकाएंगे क्या?
नहीं सर,
नहीं तो this
उस
is
वजह से वो जो यू शेप बनता है ना, जो भी कोल्ड स्टोरेज कोल्ड एयर्स होती है वो
see you cannot move neither Aravali nor Himalaya.
मैंने
Okay.
फिर इसको बोला
और ऐसा नहीं है कि कहते हैं हिमालय और अरावली 2 साल पहले बने. ठीक है, 5 साल पहले दिल्ली का EQI ठीक था. अंडरस्टैंड, थिंग्स आर गेटिंग बेटर फॉर सम अदर रीजंस. ऐसे पॉइंट बोलोगे तो पक्के बाहर होगे. गाइस प्लीज स्पीक सेंसिबल पॉइंट्स. है ना, तुम तो हिमालय और अरावली को ले आए, अब इनको कहाँ से हटाओ एयर पोल्यूशन के लिए. मतलब स्पीक सेंसिबल पॉइंट, मतलब इट वाज कंट्रोल सेंसिबल. Anikesh, good. You spoke about facts. You spoke about the long-term vision, and that is actually the, one of the concern, one of the reason that we don't have a vision. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं इन दिल्ली, लोग बोलते हैं दिवाली पे फटाके मत फोड़ो. इससे ज़्यादा उनका AQI का वो नहीं है. Neither odd even is getting practiced. Government is.
सर ऑड इवन आपने लाया था, क्या माने?
अरे तो ठीक है ना, जो
बीजेपी इसको इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करेगी.
वही तो है ना, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का यूज़ करना, ये सब मोटिवेट करना, कंपलसरी करना. उल्टा दे हैव गिवन वर्क फ्रॉम होम टू एवरीवन. दिस इज नॉट द सोल्यूशन, राइट? they are giving work from home. of how the manufacturing plant will operate working from home. IT के लोग तो कर सकते हैं काम.
Well, there are so many countries जिसमें अगर 100 से ऊपर एक ही हो जाता है तो अपने सारे कॉर्पोरेट्स वर्क और ये सब जो फील्ड पे होते हैं वो सब बंद कर देते हैं.
See, none of you brought up the point about population of country.
urbanization.
So we are the largest populated country in this world. तो उसकी वजह से भी जितने लोग उतने व्हीकल्स, अंडरस्टैंड, और उतना पोल्यूशन. सो गुड. Man, you participated but very less participation again, so, and you spoke late also. Initial हमेशा GD में try to speak in the first half. Always remember, सब लोग don't wait till last. You spoke in the last. Okay, you spoke in the last, right? तो और मतलब पहले बोलने की कोशिश करो. Very good Abhay, I must say. Very good points, very good facts, different things. You had a good understanding of the topic, I must say. Very good. Missing your name. Aarti. Yeah, Aarti, you did spoke, but you spoke late. Okay. You brought a good point about the understanding of responsible people about AQI, but that was a comment. You didn't propose a solution. ठीक है, तो you shared a comment, you understand, we have to suggest solutions. So and but you speak well, you are a good speaker, but next time when you speak solution. Yeah, okay. And okay, so you need to work on the content. The communication is good. Okay, Stuti, good. You participated more better than last few times, but not well concluded. डर गई तुम? वो कुछ मतलब एस सो एस वी कंक्लूड सो वी कंक्लूड, मतलब वो तुम वहीं से तुम गलत हो गए थे, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड देन कंक्लूजन में मतलब एक अच्छा लिसनर बनना पड़ेगा कि लोगों ने क्या बोला, उन पॉइंट्स को लाना पड़ेगा, फिर जाके कंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा. सो कंक्लूजन इज ऑलवेज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मेक एन इम्प्रेशन बिकॉज यू गेट ए चांस टू स्पीक द ऑलरेडी सेड पॉइंट्स जो दूसरों ने बोले हैं. और कंक्लूजन का मौका हमेशा उसको मिलता है जो 50-50 चांसेस होते हैं इसके सिलेक्शन के. समझ रहे हो? जो सिलेक्ट हैं अच्छे बोले वो सिलेक्ट होते हैं, जो रिजेक्ट है वो कम्प्लीटली रिजेक्ट होते हैं. रिक्रूटर को जिस पे 50-50 होता है ना, उसको एक बार और सुनना चाहता है वो, तो इसको वो कंक्लूजन का चांस देता है. तुम्हें कंक्लूजन का चांस मिला है ना? हाँ. नहीं, तुम बातें करते रहो, उनको बोलने दो, क्योंकि ये ग्रुप बिहेवियर है ना. तुम 8 बजे चुप हो जाओ, जनता बात कर रही है, तो वो ये थोड़ी दिखेंगे कि 8 मिनट बाद ही चुप हो गया. समझ रहे हो? दे विल से स्टॉप. और हमेशा जीडी में ऐसा होता है, डिस्कशन अच्छा चल रहा होता है तो लोग चलने देते हैं, और लोग बोल ही नहीं पाते तो बंद करो 6 मिनट में. हमेशा याद रखना, एक डिस्कशन अच्छा चल रहा है ना तो कोई भी सुनेगा, अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है तो उसको भी लगेगा बंद करो. ठीक है, ओके.